Welcome back. Today we re-diving into the fascinating world of biohacking, those incredible DIY biology experiments and innovations that are reshaping citizen science as we know it. From home labs to genetic tweaks, these biohacks are pushing boundaries and changing everything. Let's count down the top 10 mind-blowing biohacks revolutionizing science forever. 10. Glow-in-the-dark plants. Imagine a world where your garden lights itself up at night, eliminating the need for electric lights and reducing energy consumption. Thanks to biohackers who have successfully inserted genes from bioluminescent organisms like fireflies and certain jellyfish into plants, glow-in-the-dark plants are no longer just science fiction. These engineered plants emit a soft, natural glow that can last for hours without any external power source. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, this biohack has the potential to revolutionize sustainable lighting solutions, making city parks, streets, and even indoor spaces more eco-friendly. Urban gardeners and environmentalists alike see this innovation as a way to reduce carbon footprints and bring nature as own light into our daily lives. Number 9. DIY CRISPR gene editing kits. Once exclusive to high-end research labs and cutting-edge institutions, CRISPR gene editing technology has now been made accessible to amateurs and citizen scientists through affordable DIY kits. These kits provide the essential tools and instructions needed to precisely modify genes in simple organisms like bacteria or yeast, enabling experiments that were unimaginable just a decade ago. By empowering individuals to edit DNA at home or in community labs, these kits unlock endless possibilities, from developing new medicines and biofuels to improving crop resilience and studying genetic diseases. This democratization of gene editing technology is fueling a wave of grassroots innovation, but also raises important questions about safety, ethics, and regulation in the rapidly evolving world of DIY biology. 8. Biofabricated leather and textiles. Imagine wearing a jacket or shoes made not from animal hides or synthetic plastics, but from living cells grown in a lab. Biohackers are pioneering techniques to biofabricate leather and textiles by cultivating animal cells or microbes, creating materials that look and feel like traditional leather but are produced sustainably and cruelty-free. This breakthrough challenges the fashion industry's reliance on environmentally harmful processes like tanning and plastic production, which contribute massively to pollution and carbon emissions. Beyond reducing the environmental footprint, biofabricated materials can be engineered for enhanced durability, flexibility, and even biodegradability, offering a glimpse into a future where fashion is both innovative and eco-friendly. Community labs and DIY biologists are at the forefront of this movement, democratizing access to these cutting-edge materials. Number 7. Personalized microbiome analysis. Thanks to affordable DNA sequencing technologies and open-source software, DIY biologists and citizen scientists can now analyze their own microbiomes, the diverse and complex ecosystems of bacteria, fungi, and viruses living inside and on our bodies. This personalized insight into one's gut, skin, or oral microbiome opens up new frontiers in understanding health, nutrition, and disease prevention outside traditional medical settings. By identifying imbalances or beneficial microbes, individuals can tailor diets, probiotics, or lifestyle changes for better wellness. This biohack not only empowers people to take control of their health, but also contributes valuable data to larger scientific projects studying the human microbiome. However, it also raises questions about data privacy and interpretation accuracy when conducted without professional oversight. That is your 6. Biohacked biosensors. In the world of DIY biology, biohacked biosensors are tiny portable devices engineered to detect everything from environmental pollutants to human health markers in real time. These sensors, often created using synthetic biology techniques, combine living cells or biomolecules with electronics to provide accurate, low-cost, and accessible monitoring tools. For example, some biosensors can identify toxic chemicals in water or air, while others detect biomarkers related to stress or illness in saliva or sweat. By putting these powerful tools in the hands of citizen scientists, Biohacked biosensors are democratizing environmental and health monitoring, especially in areas lacking traditional laboratory infrastructure. This growing field could revolutionize public health, pollution control, and personal wellness, but it also demands careful attention to reliability, safety, and ethical use. Number 5. Living art and bioluminescent tattoos. Where science meets creativity, living art is taking biohacking to a whole new level. DIY biologists are cultivating glowing bacteria and genetically engineered organisms to create stunning dynamic artworks that literally come to life. This includes bioluminescent tattoos, experimental designs where special bacteria or genetically modified cells are integrated into the skin to produce a soft, glowing effect. These biohacks blend art, biology, and personal expression in ways never seen before. While still in early stages, this innovation challenges our ideas of permanence and identity, raising exciting possibilities for wearable living art, but also ethical questions about safety and long-term effects. Fireful, DIY bioremediation projects. In response to the growing environmental crisis, DIY biologists are engineering microbes capable of breaking down pollutants like oil spills, plastics, and toxic chemicals. These grassroots bioremediation projects use genetically modified bacteria or fungi to naturally degrade harmful substances in soil and water, offering a sustainable and low-cost solution to pollution. What is remarkable is that these initiatives often happen outside traditional labs, in community spaces or even backyards, empowering local groups to take action against environmental damage. While promising, these projects also highlight challenges related to biosafety, regulation, and ecological impacts, making this one of the most exciting and debated frontiers in citizen science. Number 3. Homegrown vaccines and medicines. One of the most controversial yet groundbreaking aspects of DIY biology is the development of homegrown vaccines and medicines. Some citizen scientists are experimenting with producing low-cost vaccines, antibodies, or therapeutic compounds right in their own home labs or community biohacker spaces. This movement aims to increase access to essential medicines, especially in underserved or remote communities where traditional healthcare infrastructure is lacking. While this biohack holds enormous potential to disrupt pharmaceutical monopolies and lower costs, it also raises critical ethical, safety, and legal questions. Without proper oversight, there are risks of contamination, incorrect dosages, or unintended side effects. Still, the passion and innovation behind this effort reflect a deep desire to democratize healthcare through science. Number 2. Open-source bioinformatics platforms. The explosion of biological data has made bioinformatics essential, but expensive software and expertise have kept it out of reach for many. Enter open-source bioinformatics platforms, tools developed and shared freely by communities of scientists and DIY biologists alike. These platforms allow citizen scientists to analyze complex genetic sequences, protein structures, and other biological data using just a laptop and internet connection. By democratizing access to powerful computational tools, these platforms accelerate discovery, collaboration, and innovation worldwide. They also foster transparency and reproducibility in research, empowering hobbyists and professionals to work side by side. However, mastering these platforms still requires learning and dedication, making education and community support crucial for success. Number 1. Synthetic biology kits for education and innovation. At the forefront of the DIY biology revolution are synthetic biology kits designed to empower everyone, from curious students to independent innovators. These kits provide all the tools needed to engineer living organisms, create new biological parts, and build innovative biomaterials right at home or in community labs. With clear instructions and safe protocols, synthetic biology kits make complex science accessible, turning classrooms and basements into hubs of creativity and discovery. This hands-on learning fuels the next generation of scientists, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers who will push biology beyond traditional boundaries. Beyond education, these kits are sparking groundbreaking innovations in medicine, agriculture, and environmental science, democratizing biotechnology like never before. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by the power of DIY biology and want to explore more cutting-edge science, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Which biohack surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.